Oh, it'll never replace this.
And they also
that.
never saw them being as small as they are nowadays.
Yep.
Like this phone's more powerful, you know?
Mm-hmm.
And things are progressing so fast. I'm going to say give it 5 years.
Mm-hmm.
And that's going to be a part of everyday life is using AI.
Yeah, I think
we all use the internet, you know.
Right,
think about
but
10 years ago.
Yeah, I don't think it'll be having to go to a separate website. I think it'll just be more along the lines of, you know, I call my ChatGPT Chad. So I have a feel like, you know, a smart house almost. I could be like, you know, hey Chad, what do you think?
Yes, what I'm saying. We won't give it a second thought. That's what I'm saying, you know.